launching a missile. Boom! Another one. Boom! Welcome back, everybody. Today we're doing a 2025 updated tutorial for radar guided missiles inside of Stormworks. Just want to start with the hard point connector round. Then we want to set that the radar guided missile connect a warhead, which we're going to set the impact threshold to 10 meters a second. Next, the missile's radar. Want to make sure it's facing forward and the rotating arrows underneath facing anti-clockwise. We can enter the select tool again, set the radar to static, and then both of these, the FOV-X and FOV-Y, they're 0.07. Now get solid fuel, 1, 2, and then the fins. Make sure it's facing forward again, and the top arrow facing clockwise and the side arrow facing clockwise. If your arrows are not aligned properly or facing the right directions, it's not going to work. Now for an actual booster, the arrow facing this way, and in the select tool we're going to set the burn rate to 80. This can be edited as well as the impact threshold, but this is just what I recommend. Next, logic, we're going to connect the launch node to the booster, the warhead, and the radar. Composite from this node on the radar into the fins directly. And then electric from the hardpoint connector to both of the things. Now, let's just color it, make it look good. Obviously, you don't have to do that, but get creative, guys, come on. And that is it. That is your missile completely finished. If you have any problems, just double check the arrows are facing the right directions. So I just went ahead and slapped it on a test stand. It's just some velocity pivots. And we're going to test this missile. Let's just aim it real quick. And then boom, fire. And it's absolutely destroyed that golf cart. There wasn't really a chance against a radar guided missile. But yeah, that is literally the entire tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. Any questions you have, just comment it and I will definitely try and answer it. Subscribe if you found this useful. Good luck, have fun, catch you in the next one. Goodbye.